Okay students, this is the fourth part of limits. Today also I am going to explain finding limits for algebraic functions. So third method, rationalization method. This method is used when limiting value of f of x by g of x for x tends to a is a indeterminate form. Okay, so for example here we want to find limiting value of root over 1 plus x minus 1 by x where x is tending to 0. Put x equal to 0 in f of x by g of x. So then we get 0 by 0 form. So directly you can't find limiting by using substitution method. So here radical signs are involved. By using rationalization concept we can find the limit of this function. Okay, first of all I want to simplify this function 1 plus x minus 1 by x. I want to rationalize the numerator, so that's why I am multiplying 1 plus x plus 1 by root over 1 plus x plus 1. Numerator is in the form of a minus b to a plus b, a square minus b square by x times of root over 1 plus x plus 1, or another words I can say that 1 plus x minus 1 by x times of root over x plus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Okay students, so what happened instead of this, now what I can write, so limiting value of x by x times of root over x plus 1 plus 1, x is tending to 0, x is tending to 0, x is not equal to 0, I can cancel, the reason is x is tending to 0 only. Okay, what happened to this nana, limiting value of 1 by root over x plus 1 plus 1, x is tending to 0. Now substitute instead of x 0, so what will get 1 by 2, 1 plus 1, 1 by 2, so which is finite value. Finally what I can say, the limiting value of this function is 1 by 2. Okay, in this way you can find the limit of functions by using concept of rationalization. Okay, students, here one more problem. What I explained is first problem. The second problem, limiting value of root over x plus 4 minus 2 by x where x is tending to 0. Same, put x equal to 0 in given function which is in the form of f of x by g of x, then we get 0 by 0. Okay, so what we should do, Nana, we want to find limiting value of the function by using alternate method. So in this case I want to use rationalization concept. Here also I want to rationalize numerator, that's why root over x plus 4 plus 2 multiplied root over x plus 4 plus 4 divided. So now numerator in the form of a plus b to a minus b, a square means x plus 4 minus b square means 4 by x times of root over x plus 4 plus 2, x is tending to 0. X is tending to 0 only, x is, first of all I want to cancel the 4, after this x and this x also cancelled because x is not equal to 0, x is tending to 0 only. So finally what happened, limiting value of 1 by root over x plus 4 plus 2 where x is tending to 0. Now substitute, so what I will get, 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 4 which is finite value, then what I can say, limiting value of the function is 1 by 4. Okay, in this way you can complete remaining problems also. So another important model, limiting value of root over 1 plus x minus root over 1 plus x square by root over 1 minus x square minus root over 1 minus x, where x is tending to 0. Put x equal 0 in the problem which is in the form of f of x by g of x, then we get 0 by 0. Means directly you can't find the limiting value of that function. So again I want to use rationalized concept, students. 1 plus x minus root 1 plus x square by root over 1 minus x square minus root over 1 minus x. Students, here you want to rationalize both. First of all, I want to rationalize numerator here, root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x square multiplied and root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x divided. Now I want to rationalize the denominator, student. So that's why what I should write here, 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus x, and should multiply with same 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x. Okay. Students, now I want group. So this term should be grouped with this term. So that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square means 1 plus x, b square means minus of 1 plus x square. Okay, students. By now I want to group this with this. Student, this with this. So a minus b into a plus b, a square 1 minus x square minus b square means 1 minus x. Okay. So terms will remain, this term and this term will remain, same terms I want to write. Root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x by root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x square. So totally x is tending to 0. Okay, one more steps I want to write, students, in next page. So what happened? Limiting value of 1 plus x minus 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square minus 1 plus x into root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x by root over something plus root over something, 1 plus x, 1 plus x square. X is tending to 0. Now observe, students, here 1 get cancelled, here 1 get cancelled. Limiting value of x times of 1 minus x by x is taken common 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x by root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x square. X is tending to 0. Students, I can cancel this x. The reason is x is not equal to 0. So I cancel these two also. X is not equal to x is tending to 0 only. So finally what I got, I will write here, students. Limiting value of root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x by root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x square. X is tending to 0. Now substitute directly. So what will get? Root over 1 plus root over 1 by root over 1 plus root over 1. So totally 1 will get. What is the meaning of that? Total function limiting value is 1, means this function is tending to 1. Okay, another important model, students. Now first of all, direct substitution method. Second one is factorization method. Third one is rationalization method. Fourth one is important one. If the given function of the form x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x is tending to a, how to find its limiting. So this theorem saying that this output value is n into a power n minus 1. That should prove now. Yeah, students, important one. X power n minus a power n by x minus a. Limiting value of this function where a is tending to a is n into a power n minus 1, where n is a rational number. Okay, now I want to prove this. Okay, students. Yeah, for this we need to know one important expansion, that is 1 plus x whole power n expansion, that is 1 plus nx plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so on plus x power n if n belongs to natural number, or 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube so on to infinity, yeah, provided mod x less than 1 under this case, and n belongs to q. So this is the expansion of binomial. So 1 plus x binomial expansion, 1 plus x whole power n, where n is a rational number. So this can be rewrite as 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factor x square plus n into n minus 1 to n minus 2 by 3 factor x cube plus so on. So this is one of the important result for us students. To prove this, we need to use this expansion. Okay. Here only I will write note 1 plus x whole power n equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square so on to infinity for n belongs to q and mod x less than 1. Okay, what should prove? I will write here, students. Here what should I prove? Required to prove limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x is tending to a is nothing but n into a power n minus 1. Or it is better to prove LHL equal to RHL equal to n into a power n minus 1. LHL means what? Limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x tending to a minus should be equal to limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x tends to a plus should be equal to n into a power n minus 1. Just like we feel that this is L, this is M, this is some K, we want to prove that L equal to M equal to K. It is better to prove L equal to K first or M equal to K. I will prove M equal to K first. Okay, Nana? So now what I can say, now it is enough to prove that this equal to this. After that I will prove this equal to this. That is not a big issue. Okay. Now we need to prove limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x tends to a plus equal to n into a power n minus. Next page I will write, students. So that is actual RHL only, equal to limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, x is tending to a plus, same as limiting value of, okay, so just like f of a plus h, where h is tending to 0. So that is, what is limiting value of, instead of x, what are at a plus h whole power n minus a power n by a plus h minus a, h is tending to 0, which is same as Okay, which is same as limiting value of a power n into 1 plus h by n whole power n, h by a minus a power n by h, where h is tending to 0. So what I am doing here, a power n is taken common here. So limiting value of 1 plus h by a whole power n minus 1 by h is tending to 0. Okay. I want to write in next question that one. What I am getting, a power n into limiting value 1 by h of 1 plus h by a whole power n minus 1. H is tending to 0. Okay, just easy only, students. Now listen. So this is same as a power n as it is, limit h is tending to 0, 1 by h. Now I want to expand this. I already clearly explained how to expand this expansion. Just 1 plus x, 1 plus nx, nx means h by a plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h by a whole square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into h by a whole cube plus so on to infinity. Okay, 1 minute, student. So on to infinity. After that minus this one is there. No, this one I want to write 1. Now I want to close the bracket. This one get cancelled. Now from second term, third term, all terms I want to take h common. H I want to take common. See, h I want to take common. So what happened? I will show you, students. Listen. This is a power n into limiting value of 1 by h. Now I want to take h common. Okay, what we left here, n into 1 by a plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h by a square. Actually h square by a square, one h is taken common, plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into h square by a cube, so on to infinity and close. Okay, students, h is tending to 0. H is tending to 0, h is not equal to 0. I can cancel this. So what I will get, I want to write here, students, a power n into limiting value of n by a plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h by a square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into h square by a cube plus so on to infinity. H is tending to 0. Students, we have one formula, algebra of limits, saying that limit f of x plus g of x plus k of x, where x is tending to a means limit f of x, limit g of x plus limit h of x can write. Just like what I can say now, this is same as a power n into limit of this means n by a only, because that is constant. For after that each term containing n means what is the meaning of that? This tending to 0, to term tending to 0, what I can say, 0 plus so on plus 0. Next page I will write, students, what I got. This is RHL only, RHL a power n into n by a plus 0, that is a power n into n into a, that is n into a power n minus 1. This is RHL. Similarly, LHL also will get same thing, n into a power n minus 1. What is the meaning of that? That is LHL equal to RHL equal to n into a power n minus 1. Now I want to write final conclusion. Therefore, limiting value of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, x is tending to a, is nothing but n into a power n minus 1, where n belongs to a rational number q. Very, very important result, student. Should remember this. Okay. Now an example problem. Students, listen. Yeah, what limiting value of x power 4 minus 3 power 4 by x minus 3, where x is tending to the direct form, in the form of a power n minus b power x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where x is tending to a form. So directly what I can say, 4 into 3 power 4 minus 1, that is 4 into 3 power 3, that is 4 into 27, 27 4s are 28, 108. What I can say, that the function is tending to 108. Another important model, students, IMP model. Okay, so limiting value of 2 plus x power n minus 2 power n by x is tending to 0. Actually, problem not directly in the form of a power n minus x power n minus a power n by x minus a, where limit x is tending to a, not like that directly. So you want change the problem. So here I want only x, I don't want 2 plus x, or I want k power n minus a power n by k minus a, like that. I want only one variable here, k or a or l or whatever it may be. That's why what I am doing, 2 plus x is taken as some t. 2 plus x is taken as t. Okay. Now if x is tending to 0, automatically t tending to 2 only. Observe, x is tending to 0, this tending to 0, 2 plus 0, t tending to 1. What implies, sorry, t tending to 2, t tending to 2. Okay, now I want change the structure of the equation 1, expression 1. 1 becomes limit of, instead of 2 plus x, I can write t power n minus, so instead of 2 what I can write, instead of 2 I can write 2 only, 2 power n, I don't want to change that, by, instead of x what I can write, t minus 2 I can write, t minus 2, t tending to 2. See, now this is direct in this form. No? Yeah, students, observe, this is direct in the form of x power n minus a power n by x minus a, directly. So now what I can say, this is equal n into 2 power n minus 1. This is the answer for the problem. Okay, very, very important. So what I did, just I took 2 plus x as a t. X is tending to 0, then t is tending to 2. So I changed the problem. First expression becomes limit, instead of 2 plus x I can t power n minus 2 power n as it is, by, instead of this x what you can write, x equal t minus 2 only, t minus 2. So this is in standard form, a power n, x power n minus a power n by x minus a form. Directly I can say the n into a power n minus 1. So this is the answer of the problem. So another important model, students. So this is also not in direct form, not in the form of x power n minus a power n by x minus a directly. Okay, so what I want to do, observe, students, limiting value of 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8. I added 1, subtracted 1 numerator, and this is x as it is, x is tending to 0. Next step, students, listen, limiting value of 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 and minus 1, this minus 1. From this and this I took minus common. So what happened, I will write here bracket 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 by x. Students, x is tending to 0. Now I want to apply this limiting value of f of x plus g of x where x tends to 0 means limiting value of f of x plus limiting value of g of x where x tends to a. Okay, so this can be written as limiting value of 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 by x, x is tending to 0, minus limiting value of 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 by x, x is tending to 0. Okay, students, now I want to take this is part 1 and I will take this part 2. Both I will solve. After that I will subtract part 1 and part 2. Next page I will write. So actually limiting value of 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 power 1 by 8 by x, x is tending to 0. So let 1 plus x is equal to some t. X is tending to 0, then x is tending to 0, automatically what happened? Then t is tending to 1 only. So what happened to the problem? Problem structure becomes limiting value of t power 1 by 8 minus 1 power 1 by 8 by t minus 1, t is tending to 1. This is same as 1 by 8 into 1 power 1 by 8 minus 1, that is directly 1 by 8 only. Next part 2 I want to take. Part 2, limiting value of 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1, I can write 1 by 8 by x, x is tending to 0. Here also I want to take 1 minus x as some k. Friends, wait. Yeah, here I want to take 1 minus x as a k, x is tending to 0, then k is tending to 1 only. Okay, now I want to change the problem. So limiting value of k power 1 by 8 minus 1 power 1 by 8 by, instead of k what I can write 1 minus x, I can write 1 minus x, yeah, 1 minus x not 1 minus k, 1 minus k where k tending to 1. So here I will write, student, okay, what you got, I want to take minus come because k minus 1 I want, minus limiting value of k power 1 by 8 minus 1 power 1 by 8 by k minus 1, k tending to 1, directly minus 1 into 1 by 8 into 1 power 1 by 8 minus 1, directly minus 1 by 8 I got. Okay, so actually this is taken as result number 1. Now what I can say from 1, okay, from 1 by 8 minus second part is minus 1 by 8. Observe, this is 1 by 8 minus of this minus 1 by 8. So that is 2 by 8. That is called 1 by 4. So finally what I can say, this function is tending to 1 by 4. This one, this is tending to 1 by 4. Okay.